Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today's lesson is all about routine or non-routine problems involving addition and subtraction of decimal numbers, including money. Adding and subtracting decimals are tasks that show how to read, write, compare, order, add, and subtract decimals. After going through this lesson, you are expected to solve routine and non-routine problems involving addition and subtraction of decimal numbers, including money, using appropriate problem-solving strategies. Now, are you ready to learn? Very good. Come on, let's start the lesson. How are we going to add or subtract decimal numbers? So, may mga steps tayong dapat sundin para makapag-add or makapag-subtract tayo ng mga given decimal numbers. Suppose I have here 23 and 45 hundredths plus 8 and 63 hundredths plus 2 and 75 hundredths. So, what are we going to do first? Step 1, line up the decimal points vertically. So, from this one, naka-horizontal kasi ito, we're going to arrange them or line up vertically na dapat magkakapantay ang decimal point. So we have, first one is 23 and 45 hundredths, followed by 8 and 63 hundredths, plus 2 and 75 hundredths. So as you can see, magkakapantay ang decimal points. So, dapat ganyan ang gagawin natin before we add or subtract the given decimal numbers. Fill in any zeros where necessary. Kung mapapansin nyo sa ating first decimal number, yung digit na 2 ay walang katapat sa baba. So, therefore, we're going to put zeros there para may katapat siyang number. So, of course, same number pa rin or same decimal number pa rin ang ating first given, which is 23 and 45 hundredths. Followed by, so this is also 8 and 63 hundredths pa rin. So kahit lagyan siya ng 0 sa unahan, that's the same value anyway. Pag magdadagdag tayo ng 0 sa unahan ng whole number, walang mababago sa kanyang value. So don't worry about that, okay? Next is 2 and 75 hundredths pa rin kahit may 0 ang 2 sa unahan. So, ngayon, may katapat na number ang 2. So, ganun ang gagawin natin para may katapat na number ang ibang digit na walang katapat. So, lalagyan natin ng zeros yung mga katapat niya na spaces, okay? Step 3, add or subtract the decimal numbers as if they are whole numbers. Ngayon, kung ano yung rules natin sa addition and subtraction of whole numbers, yun ang i-apply natin. Okay? So, therefore, we have here 3, 4, 8, 3. So, this is the sum. Hindi pa ito ang final answer dahil may last step pa tayo. Step 4, place the decimal point in the sum or difference so that it lines up vertically with the numbers being added or subtracted. So, maglalagay tayo ng decimal point sa sum or difference na dapat kapantay din ng decimal points sa ating mga given decimal numbers. So, therefore, our final answer will be 34 and 83 hundredths. Let's have more examples. Number 1, 8 and 5 hundredths plus 7 and 93 hundredths plus 1 and 62 hundredths. Step 1, i-arrange natin ang given decimal numbers vertically na kung saan ang kanilang mga decimal points ay magkakapantay. So, magiging ganito sila. Yan. Ang step 2 ay hindi applicable sa ating given na decimal numbers dahil wala namang spaces kung saan maglalagay tayo ng 0. So, kung mapapansin nyo, lahat ng numbers ay may mga kapantay. So, we don't need to write zeros pa. Okay? Proceed tayo sa step 3 wherein we're going to add the given decimal numbers as if they are whole numbers. So, we have here, yan. So, this is the sum. Again, this is not the final answer because we still have one more step, which is we're going to put a decimal point sa ating sum na dapat katapat or kapantay ng decimal point ng ating mga given decimal numbers. So, therefore, our final answer is 17 and 60 hundredths. Number 2, 2 and 843 thousandths plus 15 and 624 thousandths plus 13 and 56 hundredths. Now, i-arrange natin sila vertically. So, yan, dapat magkakapantay ang mga decimal points. As you can see, may spaces dito. So, lalagyan natin ng 0. So, first, we have 2 and 843 thousandths. So, naglagay tayo ng 0 sa unahan ng digit na 2 dahil may space siya. So, yung second given natin, wala tayong ilalagay na 0 dahil may kapantay na siya. And yung last, naglagay tayo ng 0 after 6, yung digit na 6. So, okay lang din yan dahil kanan naman siya ng decimal value. So, hindi rin mababago ang kanyang value kahit maglagay tayo ng 0 sa kanyang right side. Next, let's add all the given numbers. Yan. And finally, lagyan natin ng decimal point para maging final answer na siya. So, the final answer is 32 and 27 thousandths. So, those are the steps on how to add or subtract decimal numbers. Now, how can we solve word problems? First, we need to understand the problem, of course. So, right after nating maintindihan kung ano ba yung given problem, next step will be plan. Okay, so dito natin naalamin kung ano ba dapat yung operation na gagamitin natin sa ating given problem. Okay, so right after that is the execution of the plan, which is solve. So dito na natin gagawin kung ano ba yung mga nasa plans natin. And finally, after natin makapag-solve, we need to check, of course. So para masigurado natin kung tama ba ang ating mga answers. Study how word problems be solved. Mang Tino has 18 pesos and 48 centavos. If he has to buy 5 pieces of candies worth 2 pesos and 10 centavos each, how much change will he get from the seller? First, let's understand the problem. What is asked? Ano nga ba ang tinatanong sa ating given problem? So it is the change he will get from the seller after buying 5 pieces of candies. How about the given facts? The budget is 18 pesos and 48 centavos for 5 pieces of candies worth 2 pesos and 10 centavos each. What is the hidden given? Okay, so each candy is worth 2 pesos and 10 centavos each. So, kailangan nating i-add para malaman natin kung magkano ang total amount ng 5 pieces of candies. Kailangan kasi alam natin kung magkano ang total amount ng 5 pieces of candies para masagutan natin ang given question. Hindi natin malalaman kung magkano ang sukle ni Mang Tino kung hindi natin alam kung magkano yung total amount ng 5 pieces of candies. Next step is plan. What operations will be used? So we're going to use addition and subtraction. So, i-add natin yung amount ng bawat piece ng candy. And then after nun, we're going to subtract that from the amount of money na meron si Mang Tino. Now, let's solve. So, i-add natin ang amount ng bawat isang candy. And the total amount of the 5 candies is 10 pesos and 50 centavos. So, we're going to subtract that from the amount of money na meron si Mang Tino, which is 18 pesos and 48 centavos. Now, the difference is 7 pesos and 98 centavos. Just to make sure, let us check. We're going to use the reverse operation. So, dahil nag-subtract tayo kanina, ngayon naman, mag-a-add tayo. Okay, so 10 pesos and 50 centavos plus 7 pesos and 98 centavos. Yung 10 pesos and 50 centavos, yun yung total amount of 5 candies. And yung 7 pesos and 98 centavos naman, yun yung ating naging answer kanina. So, let's add. The answer is 18 pesos and 48 centavos. Na kung saan yan ang total amount of money na meron si Mang Tino. Therefore, our answer is correct. Mang Tino's change is 7 pesos and 98 centavos. In solving word problems, it is important that you follow the given steps on how to solve them. First, understand. Next, plan. The third one is solve, and finally, check. This will help you overcome your fear in different problems that you will encounter as we go along the lesson. Now, let's see kung may natutunan kayo sa aking mga diniscuss kanina. It's assessment time! Good luck! What is your score? Very good! You never failed to amaze me. Congratulations! Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe this one. So para mas marami ang matuto, diba? You can also like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you so much. See you next time. Goodbye and be safe all the time.